Here are Quest 2 mistakes that you need to stop making.
Alright guys, the first mistake has something to do with that out there. I know, the outside. You guys probably have never been there before. I recommend checking it out. But if you do something like this, please get off my YouTube page right now. What you need to do is flip this around. What that does actually hides the lens from the terrible outside world. Well, the sun pretty much. So the lens don't actually burn and cause burn-in on your Quest. Hopefully that doesn't do anything. By turning around your Quest or putting it in a spot where there's no sun, this can preserve your little Quest and save the Quest. I'm gonna pull up some pictures of what it looks like when your Oculus Quest is sunburned. Those are pretty bad, so I would actually try my hardest to avoid that and simply turn on your headset. Here comes the next mistake that we've all made. You're looking at the mistake right now. It's not buying an extra head strap. As you can see, I have the most basic and terrible head strap to ever exist in mankind. Look at this thing. Doesn't support anything. It's front heavy. Like, look at this giant Oculus Quest. Look at this brick attached to your face. My full opinion, buy one, just not the elite strap.
Another mistake that we all make, and this one can be a shocker, but it's downloading too many games. Just look at your phone that has slowed down due to all of the games that have taken up all the storage. And the same thing can happen to your computer and even your Quest. Best thing to do is I would leave 20% of your storage empty. So that would be 20% whatever 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes is. And if you want to download other games, I'd recommend just deleting your old games that you do not play. I sometimes forget to do that, and because of that, a lot of my storage is taken up of useless games I do not play.
Alright guys, another mistake that we all make, especially if you are blind like me, is not using the glasses spacer right here that comes with the Quest. What this does, it just gives you extra space in between the headset, so it gives you space to actually put on your glasses. And pro tip, if you actually wear glasses, you might not need it for this because you kind of have the screen in your face anyway, so you really don't need your glasses. But just for you guys, I'm gonna be trying to put this inside the Quest. I can never take off the head strap, like ever. Alright, as you can see, oh shoot. And you guys can go ahead and then put the cover back on. I don't really know if I want to. I'm not necessarily going to put the headset on, but that's just how you do it. Okay guys, another mistake that we all make is not getting a new face cover like this one right here. So pretty much the old one was very spongy and it soaked up all your sweat. Let me show you. This is the old one. This is just very dirty, and well, mine isn't dirty, but other people's, theirs can be dirty. It soaks in like a bunch of sweat for no reason, and then there were like cases of rashes or whatever. So they recalled a bunch, and they gave a ton of people this free one right here that you could have gotten from their website a while back if you had a specific Oculus Quest that you ordered in like a certain time frame. So I got this from the Oculus store, but you can find really cheap ones for like $10 or maybe even less. I'll put one like on the screen. This one's just honestly been like a lifesaver. I love this so much more, and I recommend you get one, please.
Another major mistake we've been making on the Quest, it's letting it die to 0%. Just like iPhones and other things with batteries, if you want to keep the battery as healthy for as long as possible, I recommend you don't let your Quest drop below 20% or go above 80%. If you want to keep track of the percentage while charging your Quest, I recommend setting at least 30-minute intervals or 45-minute intervals to check the percentage of where the headset is at. It's okay if you go above 80%, but that's just the recommended range where you keep your battery.